So what do you do if you are doing a single arm or single leg exercise and your right side is a lot stronger than your left side or vice versa? How do you start to balance that out? Should you use the same weight on both sides? Should you, what do you do? So here is the quick answer to that. If I'm doing an exercise where let's say my left side is a little bit weaker than my right side, what I'm going to do is start with my left side first. So set number one, I'm doing my left side. Let's say I get 7 repetitions on this side at a given weight. Then I'm going to go over to my right side, and typically I'm only going to do 7 repetitions on that side, even if I could maybe do 10 or 12. I'm just going to stop and match them and keep them the same. Now this works really well if those numbers are pretty close. So, your left side's a little bit weaker, but not a huge amount. If there's a big disparity there, so maybe you're coming back from an injury or you've discovered that you have a major imbalance side to side in some area where you have a big gap from left to right, you want to take a little bit of a more aggressive approach, and you're going to still do the same thing in terms of start with the weak side, then do the right side or the strong side and match to the first thing. But what you're also going to do is do considerably more volume. In other words, you're going to do more sets of work on that weaker side. So you may do 2 or 3 sets on the weak side for every set that you do on the strong side. That might be something like, if my left side's weaker again, I might do a set on my left, do a set on my right, and then go right back to my left, and then take a break and repeat that. So one sort of set is left, right, left. Right now I'm doing twice as much work on that left side. Sometimes you may even want to do more than that. And again, if there's a big disparity, you may actually just want to have some dedicated training sessions just to that weaker side. That'd be a more extreme situation, but you can kind of get the idea. The big thing is you want to get both sides pretty close to par. I would say your less dominant or weaker side should still be able to do about 90 or 95% of what your strong side can do. So if you're way far off from that, then you want to take a little bit of a more aggressive approach to bring those up to par. So you have a nice balance in the body and a little bit of a better overall function.